Good afternoon. By the special grace of God, I'm the chief of Igbo community in Ghana, is in Igbo, Ghana. I had the same story. A lot of people have been calling me, sending me links from Amma Ghana. He's called Amma Observer, and a certain guy also called Nitete. Nitete speaking Ghana, and I must speak in English. And I've been watching those links people have been sending to me. I ignore them. The reason why I ignore them is because what they're saying is never true. How come a blogger will sit down to say that Igbo king in Ghana bribed Ghana Traditional Council for them to induct Igbo diaspora throne in Ghana? How can somebody who say that the Igbo chief in Ghana and all the Igbos are 419, that we used 419 system to bribe the council for them to induct us? First of all, that is a hate speech. Secondly, it's an insult to my person and the entire Igbo community and the entire Nigerians. Number three, she and Tete is saying what they don't know about. Number four is a hate speech that can even cause xenophobia. Number six, they are raising hatred from Ghanaians against Nigerians just because they think they can make money from YouTube, and they're giving wrong information against me, against Nigerians. I'm not a 419er. Igbos are not 419 people. Nigerians are not 419 people. If you are saying that Igbos are 419 people, what is the proof? If you say that Igbo king in Ghana and Igbo community in Ghana used 419 to manipulate the Ghana Traditional Council, what is the proof? Ghana Traditional Council inducted Igbo Ghana into the council by we performing the traditional rites, the traditional culture that will enable the induction. We did not give any.
This message is going to all the concerned persons who were affected in one way or the other. Since these are misinformation, I keep repeating it. It has been a misinformation from some uninformed people spreading hate, spreading fake news, spreading propaganda against His Royal Majesty Ezeohazurume I, in the person of Jude Ihenet. Again, I must commend you, Your Highness, for coming out at this time to clarify to the people who, like I said, were affected by the recent misinformation flying all around the place. I have always been a strong advocate of the Igbo culture and heritage, and also a strong advocate of a unified Igbo nation. I myself has come under fire for my defense, for my strong defense that we have the right to exist, we have the right to have leadership, a cultural leadership in the diaspora. Because I know that Ndi Igbo, at least I would say 50% of our people are living outside Igbo land. These people a lot of them are domiciled elsewhere. Some are just, traveling But one thing that is unique is that they are all having families and everywhere. It is important that these families, these emerging new families of Igbo origin, of Igbo ancestry, must have something that connects them to home. Most of our people who are in diaspora, some of them in the last 20 years, they have not come home. In the last 30 years, they have not come home, they have not visited, they have children. Imagine a child who was born outside Igbo land that is 20 years now, 30 years now, without some cultural knowledge about where he's coming from. It is going to be a menace to our culture. It is going to be it's a disappointment to the Igbo culture. Because that is why we have people today who does not understand the Igbo culture, but they are attacking the Igbo culture. They are attacking us because they are alien. Our culture is alien to them because maybe the parents has failed, or the parent has no strong background in teaching them, or bringing them closer to the Igbo culture. I believe, and we in the Unified Igbos Now movement believes that the closest these families can get, these children can get in learning the Igbo culture is by having our traditional institutions. Like we have the call it chief, call it onyendu, call it eze Igbo, onyendu Igbo, chief of Igbo in their host countries. It is the closest that we can get in making sure that we preserve our culture, in making sure that these emerging families that are in the diaspora connects with home. If what they do is cultural, it's about culture, it gets us closer to our people. It makes our people closer to home. So I am saying this now, there is no cause for alarm. Ndi Igbo has no desire of conquest, have no desire of conquering any person. We just want to live in peace with our host communities, live in peace at home here, live in peace wherever that we found ourselves, and develop ourselves too and progress. My name is Chukwuemeka Ojembandibo, and I want you to give these reasons a serious thought and understand that we have every right to exist. We have every right to practice our culture, which is not in any way harmful to our host communities or to us or to any person. Thank you and God bless you.